Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you two ways to transpose data in Microsoft Excel. Transposing data means changing the orientation of your data from rows to columns or vice versa. This can be useful when you want to rearrange your data in a different way or format. The first way to transpose data is by using the paste feature. This is a simple and fast method that allows you to copy and paste your data in a transposed way. Here we have some sales data with the months as labels listed across the top and the names of the salespeople listed in column format down the left. I've decided I'd rather have the months listed in column format down the left and the 4 sales employees listed as headers across the top. So to do this, I'll first select the range of data that I'd like transposed, making sure I get all the headers and labels. Once I do that, I'll copy using the copy button on the clipboard group of the home ribbon. Then next, I'll choose a new location in the worksheet where I want to paste the transposed data, and I need to make sure there's enough space for it. Then I'll click to open the paste drop-down menu on the home ribbon and choose the transpose option. You'll find the transpose icon. It has a clipboard and 2 arrows, one pointing down and the other pointing to the right. You will see that the data is now transposed and the salespeople are in the column headings at the top and the months are now on the left side. The second way to transpose is by using the transpose function. This is a more advanced method. It uses a function that will return an array of values. To do this, we need to choose a new location in the worksheet where we'd like to paste our transposed data. Then we'll enter the following statement, =, transpose, an open bracket. Then we'll select the range of data that we would like transposed. Make sure we get all the headers and all the labels. After that, we close brackets and press enter. Then we'll see the data is now transposed. Please note though that this method only works this way with Excel 365. If you have an earlier version, you will need to press Ctrl Shift and enter. The advantage of this method is that it creates a dynamic link between the original data and the transposed data. So any changes that are made to the original table will be reflected in the transposed table. This means that any edits that need to be made to the data should be made to the original data, not the transposed array. Otherwise, they'll overwrite the links to the original data. And those are the two ways to transpose data in Microsoft Excel. You can choose whichever method suits your needs best, or try both methods to compare them. I hope you found this very useful and you learned something new today.